And here's to the next 15 years.
Oh.
Jim and Sheila Hyde found love later in life. And married in 2006. After my occasional thought just outside the village of Edinburgh.
These trees are now 35 feet high, some of them. This year it is very, very dry. We have to irrigate 7 days a week. Last year it did actually slightly affect the actual production of the nuts. We were down by about 10 tons. So that's probably no problem.
So at 64, and with a massive orchard potential, Jim certainly won't be slowing down anytime soon. And there are plenty of demands on Sheila's time too.
There you go, you've got another cup of cream for you.
When the couple moved to France, they brought
She's
Sheila
on a little
back
bit.
after Lisbon.
Dad used to live with us at Masterton in his own static caravan.